Is your Vauxhall Insignia's infotainment screen black, or is there no audio? First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 5 to 10 minutes. Check the infotainment fuse, usually in the engine bay, using a multimeter. Common issues include software glitches, hardware failures like blown fuses or faulty capacitors, power-related problems such as low battery voltage, and connectivity issues with Bluetooth or USB. For 2020 plus models, Bluetooth pairing issues are common, often linked to smartphone OS updates. According to recent surveys, black screens are the top complaint at 45%. These quick fixes can resolve many common problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, a software update may be necessary. Use Vauxhall's official app or visit a dealership for firmware patches that address software glitches. Mechanics can use Stellantis's 2025 infotainment diagnostic tool for remote troubleshooting and updates, reducing repair times significantly. Remember the Vauxhall recall for 2013 to 2017 models with faulty infotainment modules, offering free firmware updates at dealerships to fix black screens and audio issues. Future systems are moving towards over-the-air updates, delivering software patches wirelessly without visiting a dealership. Modular designs allow for easier repairs by replacing faulty components, reducing costs and downtime. Greater integration with AI and cloud services enables predictive maintenance and hands-free operation. Stellantis's smart cockpit upgrades incorporate voice assistants for hands-free troubleshooting and system resets. While these advancements reduce failures, legacy models may require retrofits. If DIY fixes fail, consult a professional to prevent further damage.